Recently sold on eBay. This Thomas the Train children's book sold for $9.99 plus shipping. This 1987 NHL ticket stub sold for $9.99 plus shipping. I found a free box of, LOL surprise, dollhouse furniture. This piece itself sold for $15 plus shipping. I found this uranium depression glass at an estate sale for $1. This piece sold for $15 plus shipping. Already well over the profit with this Hess truck collection. This 2000 version of a fire truck sold for $15.99 plus $11.97 in shipping. Found in a thrift store for only $3. This Mickey Mouse Thor Headband sold for $18.99 plus shipping.